Great coffee at home. Is it really worth $2,000 or can you get away with just 500? That's the question I asked myself while testing these two machines that are ready for a showdown. Hi everyone, grab your favorite cup and welcome to Cafe Lista. I'm Colin and today we are going to settle a serious debate. The Ninja Luxe Cafe, around $500 versus the Breville Oracle Jet, $2,000. As always on Cafe Lista, no sponsorship, this is a completely independent review. I do my tests in real life conditions and I tell you exactly what I think. Okay, let's go. First round, design and build quality. The Ninja Luxe Cafe here plays the versatility card. It's an imposing machine, mainly plastic, with some touch of stainless steel, and it's a decent finish. It aims to do it all: espresso, filter coffee, cold drinks with a built-in grinder. On the other hand here, the Breville Oracle Jet is in another league. It's a massive machine, stainless steel construction, the color touchscreen, dual boiler. So I measured the noise. The Ninja is slightly louder by 3 or 4 decibels during the grinding, and for both during the extraction for the pump, it's around 60 decibels. So those machines are quite loud in the morning, and that's normal. An important point here, the Ninja's plastic funnel is an essential part. That means without it, no coffee, no grinding. And to be honest, it seems quite fragile. On the other hand, the Breville uses a standard 58 milliliter portafilter. It's heavy, well built, and of course easily replaceable, or you can also upgrade it for a bottomless, for example. And I would be curious to know your opinion on the look of these machines. Would you choose the Oracle here or the Ninja? Let me know in the comments below. For this first round, I think the Breville wins on design and perceived durability. But does that justify the price difference? Let's see what really matters, the coffee. Round 2. What really counts, the quality of the coffee in your cup. And here I've made dozens of extractions, measured temperature, TDS, timed them, and of course tasted them. Here is what I discovered. For the dose, the Ninja is precise. It consistently delivers the right dose for a double espresso. We are around 17 to 18 grams. The Breville here goes further with 20 to 22 grams depending on the settings. For a richer espresso, it's not easy to adjust or to change. But beyond the number, what is it like in the cup? And here's a surprise. With classic dark roast, the Ninja delivers pretty good results, not much to envy from the Oracle Jet. It could soften the bitterness a little bit, highlight the body and the chocolatey notes. However, if you drink more specialty coffee, something more complex, more aromatic, let's say a coffee with like a citrus notes, the Breville here shows, I think, its superiority. As if the Ninja gives you a good, more traditional espresso, while the Breville here offers you a specialty coffee experience. For the temperature, the Ninja has 3 preset options: low, medium, high. It's correct within the ideal range, but it's fixed. The Breville allows you a very fine adjustment between 192 and 203 Fahrenheit. 89 to 95 Celsius, and it's perfect for adapting to a different coffee, different roasting styles. And speaking of adjustments, if you're tired of espresso that are too acidic, too bitter, or without crema, I've created a free guide that explains how to fix that in 3 simple settings. If you want to get it, the link is in the description. A major advantage of the Breville here is its dual boiler system and heated group head. You can instantly go from extraction to steaming. With the thermojet also system, the machine is ready in 3 seconds. And yes, there is another one right above the group head. That means here we have a really good thermal stability. It's quite amazing for this kind of machine. With the Ninja, to switch from extraction to steam, we have to wait 20-30 seconds. It's not too long, still longer than the Breville. For this round, the Breville largely win on technical aspect, but the Ninja defends itself surprisingly well with the standard coffee. Does the taste difference justify the difference of price. Third round, milk frothing. So this is crucial for cappuccino and latte lovers. The big surprise of my test here is that the Ninja excels here unexpectedly. Its automatic system creates a vortex that produces an incredibly silky microfoam for the price of the machine. So you pour the milk, you choose between light or dense foam, and yes, that's it. The result is stunning. I even tested it with oat milk, and the Ninja also handles it surprisingly well. The Breville has also two options, automatic or manual. In automatic mode, the result is good, but maybe a little bit less impressive than the Ninjas. There are more large bubbles, a little bit less consistent texture. However, in manual mode, the Breville takes back the lead with its truly powerful steam wand. It even displays the milk temperature in real time. It's a little detail, but I really like it. If this comparison helps you, please like the video. It supports the channel immensely. And I'm preparing a dedicated video with all the optimal settings for the Ninja. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe. We can also use the Ninja in a manual mode, but it has a little bit less power, no temperature display. It's not bad, but not as good as the Breville. For the milk system, I think it's a draw that reflects two different approaches. The Ninja wins for automatic, where the Breville much better for manual. Now, round number 4, ease of use and maintenance. Because you know, a complicated machine often ends up in the cupboard or in the garbage. The Ninja here uses an LCD screen with a touch button. It's well made. The navigation is intuitive with clear icons. One important thing, you have to temp your coffee manually. The machine doesn't do it for you. And this is something to consider if you're looking for a full automation like this one. But what is really impressive with the Ninja is its smart guidance system, the Barista Assist. It analyzes your extraction, guides you between grind 2 coarse, grind 2 fine. It gives you the proper number here for the grinder. And this is really useful for beginners or if you don't want to learn the espresso extraction. On the other hand, the Breville here automates everything: grinding, temping, extraction. Its color touchscreen is beautiful, guides you at every step. So you literally just have to press a button to get your coffee. The system is good, it's pretty efficient, and I would place it slightly above the Ninja. But still, for both machines, I would advise you to learn about espresso extraction because sometimes the recommendations are a bit off. The Breville's interface is much more customizable. You can precisely adjust temperature, pre-infusion time, save your own recipes. The Ninja offers fewer options, but is still sufficient, I think, for most users. For daily maintenance, the Breville has, I think, an advantage here with its smooth, easy to clean surfaces. The Ninja has more nooks, crannies where coffee can accumulate, requiring a little bit more attention. Descaling is simple on both machines, but the Breville has a dedicated menu with a screen, of course, that guides you step by step, while the Ninja requires following the manual instruction. A strong point for the Ninja is its incredible versatility. It can make a classic filter coffee, or try to make, cold drinks, but the quality here is just okay, you know, not truly extraordinary, and I wouldn't keep this machine to replace a good filter coffee maker. But if you have a limited space or budget, being able to replace several machines could be interesting. So this round is pretty close, but I would give a slightly edge with the Breville for its complete automation, richer interface, while acknowledging that the Ninja offers unbeatable versatility for the price. After weeks of intensive testing, who should buy which machine? The Ninja Luxe Cafe here is perfect for those who want a versatile machine, fans of a simple and effective milk-based drink, people who want a good espresso without learning how to make it, families with a lot of different tastes, so anyone who wants a machine that does a little bit of everything. Now the Breville Oracle Jet. It is perfect for specialty coffee enthusiasts, those who want to control every parameter, if you're a fan of manual frothing or latte art. Those who want daily convenience without technical compromises. So in the end, no surprise, the Breville here is clearly a step above, but it costs also much more. So if you don't really drink specialty coffee and if you're looking for a reliable and versatile machine, the Ninja here could be enough. If you like to be more precise on your extraction and if you love to drink specialty good coffee, it's up to you to decide what matters most, precision or simplicity. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose. But don't leave yet. To go further, I recommend you to watch this video here. I'm pretty sure you will like it. I hope you enjoyed that video. As usual, I'll see you soon, probably next week. Ciao.